In order to enable voice to text on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, first of all, we're gonna go to, let's say, the Google Messages app, and over here I'm gonna open a conversation. Now, if we tap on the text message field, we should be able to open our keyboard, and then in the bottom left corner, you might be able to find this microphone icon. So we can tap over here, and you might need to grant permissions for the keyboard to let it record you to use the microphone, and now whatever you say out loud, it will be converted into a text, as you can see over here on the screen. There we go, and if the microphone doesn't turn off once you end your sentence, then of course we can tap on the microphone again. In case you don't have the microphone in here, then we can tap on the setting icon in order to open Samsung keyboard settings. Next, we're gonna scroll down in order to find the voice input option, and just make sure that this voice input option is enabled. It doesn't have to be Samsung voice input, it can be also Google voice typing. As long as one of these two is selected, you should be able to convert your voice into a text. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.